Hello friends, welcome back to the UPSC Physics. So, as you know, we have started FCAT 100 MCQ test series in which we are going to cover 100 MCQs which are related to FCAT exam, of which we have already covered 40 MCQs in 4 classes. And today we are going to cover question number 41 to 50. So let's start with today's first question. First question. Which among the following states has recently inaugurated the first Disha Mahila police station? So the options are A. Tamil Nadu, B. Telangana, C. Gujarat, or is it D. Andhra Pradesh? So the right answer is Andhra Pradesh. So let's see what are the important points regarding this question. As you know, the Andhra Pradesh was the first state to inaugurate the first Disha Mahila police station, and this Disha Mahila police station was inaugurated in the district of Rajmundry. Also, the second important point in this question is about Disha Bill 2019. This Disha Bill was passed by the Andhra Pradesh Legislative in December 2019, and now this bill is waiting for the President assent. So these all are the important points. Let's move to the next question. Second question. What was India's rank in International IP, that is Intellectual Property Index 2020? So the options are A 36, B 40, C 60, or is it D 74? So the right answer is B 40. You can also answer this question by eliminating two options by the simple fact that there were only 53 countries which were included in this index. Also, the other important fact in this question is that this index was prepared by the Global Innovation Policy Center for the US Chamber of Commerce. Also, this index was topped by USA. So, with that, let's move on to the next question. Third question. Solar Orbiter, which was launched recently, is a collaborative mission of NASA and the options are A. ESA, that is European Space Agency, or B. Roscosmos, that is Russian Space Agency, or C. ISRO, or is it D. SpaceX? So the right answer is ESA, that is European Space Agency. Also, the other important point in this question is that in 1990 also NASA and ESA had sent a Ulysses mission. The spelling is given here. Ulysses mission, which also passed over the sun's pole but at much farther distance and did not carry a camera. So now this time the solar orbiter is very much precise and will be passing very near to sun and will be giving more accurate data. So with that, let's move on to the next question. Fourth question. Matla Abhiyan, a unique security exercise, is launched by A. Border Security Force, B. Indian Coast Guard, C. Indian Navy, or is it D. Indian Army? So the right answer is Indian Navy. Now let's see what are the important points in this question. So the first important point is the location of exercise. This exercise was conducted in Sundarban Delta of West Bengal. Also, the second important point is why was this exercise held? The purpose of this exercise was to interact with local communities and spread awareness on coastal security and also understand the navigational complexities in the Sundarban Delta. Also, the security of Sundarban Delta or Sundarban is responsibility of BSF and not any other forces. With that, let's move on to the next question. Fifth question. Bats are not natural host of which of the following virus? The options are A. Nipah virus, B. HIV, that is human immunodeficiency virus, C. Coronavirus, or D. Rabies virus. So the right answer is HIV. The all other viruses are spread by or are found in bat. These are Nipah virus, coronavirus, or rabies virus. Let's move on to the next question. Sixth question. InSight mission is part of which NASA's program? The options are A. Discovery, B. AIM, C. Barrel, or is it D. Champ? So the right answer is Discovery. Now, what is InSight mission? It was a Mars rover mission which landed on Mars on November 26, 2018. Also, now let's see what is Discovery program. The Discovery program is a deep space program which was launched by NASA. Under this, the NASA will be launching a set of rovers or set of satellites to different planets for exploring their habitat and their conditions. With that, that is all about this question. Let's move on to the next question. Seventh question. Who was the first Indian to be awarded Nobel Prize ever? So the options are A. Hargobind Khurana, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. C.V. Raman, or is it D. Mother Teresa? So the right answer is Rabindranath Tagore. He received the Nobel Prize in the year 1913 in the field of literature. Then after him, it was C.V. Raman who received the Nobel Prize in the year 1930 or 1930 for the Raman effect or for the physics. Then it was Hargobind Khurana who received the Nobel Prize in the year 1968 in the field of medicine. And then it was Mother Teresa who received Nobel Prize in 1979 for the peace. That's all important about this question. Let's move on to the next question. Eighth question. Recently, Ministries of Health and Family Welfare and Human Resource Development, that is HRD, has jointly launched which of the following programs? The options are A. Ayushman Bharat, or is it B. Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, or is it C. School Health Program, or is it D. Jan Dhan Yojana? So the right answer is School Health Program. Recently, the Union Government has launched a school health program under Ayushman Bharat Health and Wellness Center that will teach skills ranging from emotional well-being, mental health and interpersonal relationships to values and maintaining healthy lifestyle. And as you know, this scheme was jointly rolled by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and HRD Ministry. Also, this scheme will be first implemented in the public upper primary, secondary and senior secondary schools of aspirational districts. Subsequently, the remaining districts will be taken up in the second year. Also, under this scheme, 2 teachers will be identified in every school as the health and wellness ambassadors, and these ambassadors will be supported by the class monitors as the health and wellness messengers. So that is all important about this question. Let's move on to the next question. Ninth question. Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, that is PMKSY, is implemented by A. Ministry of Food Processing Industries, B. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, C. Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, or is it D. Ministry of Tribal Affairs? So the right answer is Ministry of Food Processing Industries. Now let us see what is Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana. The Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana is a central sector scheme which was started in the year 2017, and it comes under the Ministry of Food Processing Industries. Also, the main objective of this scheme is creation of processing and preservation capacities and modernization expansion of existing food processing units with view of increasing the level of processing value addition leading to reduction of wastage. So that is all important about this question. Let's move on to the next question. 10th and today's last question. The 11th Krishi Vigyan Kendra Conference, that is KVK conference, was recently held in. The options are A. Puducherry, B. New Delhi, C. Mumbai, or is it D. Chennai? So the right answer is New Delhi. Now let's see what are KVKs. The KVK was first established in the year 1974 in Puducherry. Also, till today, there are more than 700 KVKs throughout the India. Also, the KVKs is an agricultural extension center in India, and they are usually associated with local agricultural universities, and this center serve as an ultimate link between ICAR, that is Indian Council of Agricultural Research, and farmers. And KVKs aim to apply agricultural research in practical and localized setting. So that is all for today's class. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.